Hi, this is Rena from thecheesethief.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this bracelet. This is a fairly straightforward bracelet. It's just half fishtail, half inverted fishtail, but it looks kind of cool. So I was just playing around and then I saw this, made this design, so decided to share it with you guys. So let's get started on this tutorial. So for this tutorial, you want to line up your bands in alternating colors, purple, white, purple, white. You can change up the colors as long as you can follow the tutorial. I'm also using my pencil loom here, and there is a video tutorial on how to make one of these if you don't have one. So I'm going to take my first purple band and put it on a figure 8, like so, and then I'm going to put a white band and a purple band. Your left side will always be your inverted side, your right side will always be your regular fishtail. So this is going to be inverted. So what inverted means is you pull the white one down and then you pull the purple one up. And then for the regular side, it's just you pull it up. So I'm going to put my white band on. You take your bottommost band and you're going to invert this side. So invert means you pull the purple one down and then the white one up. And then this side, you just pull the white one up. And you just keep going. So left side is inverted, so you pull the white one down, put the purple up, and you're always working on the bottommost band, and then the right side, you just pull it up. Left side is inverted, so you pull the right side down, or the white one down and the purple one up. And then this side, you just pull the white one down. And then you just keep going. So this is really easy to remember because it's doing the same thing in every stitch. And you can alternate colors if you want, or do whatever you want. There is a little curve to this bracelet, so because one side is inverted and one side is not. White band, invert, and then pull this up. Purple band, invert the left, just pull up the bottom on the right. Next band, invert the left, and then pull up from the right. And these are limited edition rainbow loom bands. I always get a lot of questions about these. I do love these bands. I'm thinking about buying some more because they're so easy to work with and they last a very long time. They don't snap on you. Okay, so I'm just gonna do one more and then you can see. So this one is inverted. And then you pull it up. And if you wanted to end the bracelet, you can just pull up both sides of the white and then pull your bracelet onto its own peg. And there you go. So you see this side is like an inverted fishtail, and then this side is just like a regular fishtail. So it's really straightforward tutorial. So I went a little fast. But if you thought it was difficult, be sure to check out an inverted fishtail tutorial, and then do that one first where you invert both sides, and then you'll get the hang of this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for visiting me, and be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, bye now.